Hey gamers! Want to level up your communication skills? Let's learn some cool lingo used in games. Let's with words. Noob, a new player. NPC, non-playable character, a character controlled by the game. Lag, delay between your actions and what happens in the game. Buff, a temporary improvement to a character's abilities. Nerf, the opposite of buff, making a character or weapon weaker. Spawn, the place where you reappear after dying. Loot, items or rewards you get from defeating enemies or exploring. Quest, a task or mission you complete for rewards. HP, hit points, a character's health. XP, experience points, points you earn to level up your character. Now moving on to phrases GG, good game, said at the end of a well-played match. Away from keyboard, away from keyboard. Let others know you're stepping away. BRB, be right back. Similar to AFK, but for a shorter absence. Punt, owned. Used in a playful way after defeating someone. Camping, hiding in a strategic spot to wait for enemies. Time for idioms. Noob slayer, a skilled player who enjoys defeating new players. Not recommended. God mode, when a player is very powerful and almost invincible. Easter egg, a hidden secret or joke within the game. Rage quit, quitting a game in anger or frustration. Pay to win, a game where spending real money gives you a significant advantage. Now you can speak the language of gamers. So go out there, have fun, and please subscribe and like Rampton Imaginates.